5 healing tips after you realised your life with a narcissist is full of lies. Hi everyone. If you have been in a toxic relationship, recovering from the pains or hurt of splitting could be difficult. If your estranged partner was a narcissist, you could face an even more devastating emotional wreck. A narcissist's personality is characterized by several unhealthy traits that create the worst kinds of relationships. Being involved with a narcissist could result in emotional abuse, as a narcissist is self-absorbed and exhibits other negative characteristics. Manipulation, lack of empathy, emotional detachment, and monopoly in all spheres are the essential narcissist traits. However, people who have been in relationships with narcissists may not see their dark sides at first because they have a great disguise, and their initial behaviours could come off as confident and charming. Being with a narcissist is like building castles in the air, and when the castle comes crashing, getting back on your feet will be very difficult. The following are 5 healing tips that will help you recover from being with a narcissist. But before that, I hope you can help this channel gain more vibration by clicking that like button below. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell if you're new to this channel. 1. Remind yourself of why the relationship ended and don't take the blame. Toxic people have the tendencies to bring negativity into the lives of others, and a narcissist will leave their victim with several undesirable feelings of being worthless and projecting the false image of irresponsibility and irrelevance. To heal from such feelings, you have to remember that the relationship was harmful to you, and leaving it was the best decision you could have made. Being with someone that constantly limits you and undermines your capabilities is not only harmful to your ego and self-confidence, but will also increase negativity in your life, and leaving that kind of relationship can never be wrong on your part. 2. Practice self-care and self-awareness. It is tough to be in a relationship where you can't express your feelings because you have to avoid your partner's disapproval. Living on eggshells for too long makes you lose yourself and understand yourself even less. You begin to live for the narcissist and deem yourself less important. Constant self-care will help you rejuvenate from this negativity, and inspirational activities will help improve your ego boost. 3. Find yourself. Being in a relationship with a narcissist makes you prone to losing yourself in the worst ways. You're pushed to the sidelines of your life as you have to live off your partner's ideas and suggestions to please a predator. Finding yourself after such a relationship is an excellent way of getting your emotions balanced. You have to remind yourself of the things you like and discover the things you want, instead of what the other party wishes. 4. Let go of the fantasies. This is probably the first step to heal from a narcissistic relationship. Narcissists have a deceptive outlook when you meet them, and when you get to know them for who they are, you may be confused. Realising you're in an abusive relationship with a narcissist could be difficult because of the fantasies you have created from the start of the relationship. Letting go of these fantasies is the first step to healing right. 5. Take responsibility. Be responsible for your faults and don't blame the narcissist all the way. You may have been the victim, but you must remind yourself that you ignored or misinterpreted the signs. Acknowledging the fact that there are toxic people globally is an excellent way of avoiding contacts or relationships with them. Let go of your past and focus more on your present and future. You have a life ahead of yourself, and now you have the chance to make it up to you instead of living under someone else's shadow. Well, what do you think of this video? I hope this piece of information is helpful to you. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching this video.